Hi, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a ladybug. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now, I would go over the colors that we'll need today, but for this ladybug, you can use any color you want to color it in. Well, I think we'll have a lot of fun. Let's go see what we can come up with. For the first step of making our ladybug, we're going to begin by making one straight diagonal line right in the middle of the page. Now, from the line that we just made, we're going to make one big heart. This will be the body of our ladybug. See, so right here is a half a heart, then we're going to do the same thing right here. Now right here we're going to make a C-like shape, which will be the head for our ladybug. Now we're going to make two cool swirly long lines coming from the head of our ladybug. Awesome, now we have to go over and we have to go add some black polka dots. Once we finish making all of our polka dots, we have to go add some eyes to our ladybug. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your ladybug with us.